tell me what you want me to do. You want me to go ahead and call the police over here and them deal with it?
Alright, hey guys, before we get this video started, I want to notify y'all about the aircraft that I am selling. First, we have a British Airways BEA retro livery Airbus A319 Gemini just 1:400 scale. A Phoenix model 737 MAX 9 in the house livery, 1:400 scale. 1:400 scale Phoenix model 777 S200 ER in the house livery. And a Phoenix model 777 S200 LR in the house livery, 1:400 scale. A link from my eBay will be down in the description if you guys are interested. Alright, hey guys, back with another YouTube video, and today we are in Brunswick, Georgia, down south in Georgia. It's like 90 degrees out here. It's hot. It's hot. You can see there's the airport right over there. I'm using my 18 to 55 millimeter lens, so you can see some Cessna citations back there. I just wanted to show you this. What I think it's a MiG actually. I mean, it says U.S. Air Force on it. Alright, so before we get the video started, I know y'all had the usual same intro. But anyway, I am like selling these Derek 777 face masks here. I mean, they're not all Derek 777. I have four. Dude, this one's the Derek 777. I got a Black Lives Matter one. I have a Atlanta Spiders one. Also, another Derek 777 face has named 88 on it. If you want either of them, I only have like one of each right now. Not this one, because I already got like this one for myself. So like, I already got one of each right now, aside from the one I'm currently holding. So if any of y'all want to, I can just comment on it. But next time next time you'll see us over at some location by the airport out there. So yeah, let me just pack all this back up in this bag right quick and let's get walking. It's like a 4-mile walk from my hotel, so I'm tired as heck. But you know, I couldn't leave here without going spotting. So yeah. Also, can anyone name this aircraft?
It's about to get crazy. It's about to go down. It's about to get crazy. It's gonna be loud. This is our house. We do what we wanna. We'll blow the roof up. Everybody's coming. It's about to get crazy. It's about to go down. It's about to go down.
I'm at the airport and I found this factory livery Gulfstream. Sorry if the camera's a little shaky. It did not open my background. Got a factory livery Gulfstream. One just landed not too long ago. Horrible shot, but you know, got one. It was. Nah, please don't tell me the wind just changed direction. Why isn't he pulling up? There are Gulfstream signs everywhere. There's a Gulfstream hangar down there. I'm using my big lens. I did not have time to change my pop-up. There's like Gulfstream security over there. But yeah. Let's go to the terminal. The spot there. Alright, I am recording for those of y'all who would like to say hi. But yeah, this is Brunswick Airport. Okay, why is my screen white? Why is my screen so white? They have some stuff. They have an exhibit here. Yo, Steph, can you explain to me why this is happening? Why is there white stuff around my fucking camera? Security. This is a nice airport. Small, nice airport. Oh, they have more exhibits over here. Oh, that's what that means? Hold on. There we go. I wasn't in manual. had to like this, right? Manual. A water fountain. It's like heaven. Alright, I'm gonna go set my camera down over here because I'm thirsty. I am thirsty, so I'm gonna set this down right here. Drink up some water fountain. Alright, so right now we're in a Delta section of the airport. Delta, KLM, and Air France, all members of Sky Team. Zoom in real quick. And a CRJ 200, because that's what flies here. Also, I should be catching in a minute. Say cheese, surely. Why am I walking around with my mask on, bro? Like an hour leaving Brunswick Airport. Alright, that might be overexposed. Nah, it's fine. It's fine right now. Let's get a picture. I'm gonna get a picture of this. Alright, let's continue walking, shall we? Alright, so I'm already at the airport. I just don't know where I should stop from. At least I know they have water fountains in there. It's gonna feel better. Do I hear an AP or just a generator? I swear to God, if I got in this video. Oh, Ben, it's a Glenn County Fire Department. Yo, they got a freaking, what the hell is that? It's a fire truck, but what is it called? A 6x6. I forgot. I don't know where the heck the spot from, but oh my God, there's a Qantas 707 here. Yo, there's a Qantas 707 right over there. No, y'all are kidding me right now, right? You're kidding. The fact is that, oh my God, there's also a 737-300. No, you're kidding. You're kidding. And a 727. Okay, y'all are joking, bro. Y'all are joking. Hi. Okay, so they have a 707, 727s, and yeah. But can my lens fit through this window here? Y'all are crazy. It's airport, bro. Okay, I'm gonna get a picture of that Qantas 707 over there. Okay, I'm gonna show you, Seth. I'm gonna show you. Let me just stop recording. I'm trying to see if my big lens can get through here. Alright, I'm trying to see if my big lens can get through here. Cause this airport just got interesting. And they got an Omega fuel tanker. Let me get my big lens out real quick. If you look over here for your viewing pleasure, we have a Qantas 707. If it ever focuses. There we go, let's focus. Let me brighten it up a little. Alright, there we go. We got a Qantas 707. There's an Omega fuel tanker down there also. Yeah, okay, focus, thank God. Alright, Qantas 707. There's a 727 right there. Along with, if I continue walking over here, do I have to duck to see this thing? I think I do. Oh, no I don't. Okay, perfect. I can see everything over here, it looks like. I can see everything over here. We got another 727, a 707, 737-300, and an Omega fuel tanker. We'll get some pictures of these guys. Got some good-ish shots of these aircraft. Let me just walk over my bag here. Yo, Seth, you still there? Oh God. Seth, you still here? This thing is way too long to be looking at that. But I got some pictures of that Qantas 707, 737-300, and an Omega fuel tanker. I might post some of these tomorrow. There we go. We can just focus on that guy. Little guy right here flying making a transition. Get my big tripod. Alright, I got a few pictures of these planes. I keep seeing them. Excited. Oh yeah, there's the one jetway that Brunswick has right here. They only got one jetway and that's it. Alright, we got a few aircraft over here. Omega fuel tanker again. 727, 707, and I can see the aircraft behind it. 737 dash. Is that a 400? I think that's a 400. And a star of the show at Qantas 707. And some other little aircraft over here. Golden jet, golden jet, golden jet. Let me go see if I can find a better location to look at these guys from. Okay, this pole and these fences blocking me from whatever aircraft this guy is right here. Got some vegetation also. Now let's go find a better spot. Alright, let's continue walking. There's the one jet with it. I'm gonna continue walking to find a better spot. Here's a better view of all this stuff. Some fire trucks. Just waiting for the next aircraft to, you know, take off and land. There's no one in the area aside from this guy right here. And he's right up there. Yeah, there's like no one near. There's only one more scheduled flight, and that's in about an hour. Coming from Atlanta. So yeah, I'm gonna be sitting here a while. My friend loves like law enforcement vehicles, so I got like a picture of this for him at Ben Hughes Aviation, and I'm also gonna go get a better spot to go get a picture of this Omega fuel tanker over here. Got an Allegiant A320 over here. Another aircraft. We got two guys. Let's see what they are. Okay, got an Allegiant A320 and a Falcon 550. Okay, so that's the Falcon 550 right there. And the Allegiant is right there. I'm looking all the aircraft up on radar, and that black one right there is this guy. A Hawker 80 XP. And here's one of the Qantas 707 over there, number 707 Juliet Tango, 707-300. Is that focusing enough? But yeah, that's it. And the Omega fuel tanker doesn't exist. November 824RH from your hotel. Well, not that it doesn't exist, because I'm looking dead at it right here. It just doesn't show up on radar. in a few years that tail number might be given to another aircraft. We got another aircraft overhead. About to get behind the building here. Wow, when it's spotting, turning the aircraft, looking up at aircraft at freaking 30,000 feet. I just looked on Google Maps of the aircraft over here. They have no engine, so they all should still be here. There's like a Super 80 behind these guys right here. An American Super 80. If I can just get it to focus. You already know what it looks like up here, but it's like an American Super 80 over there somewhere. Finally got an aircraft landed. Okay, so clearly I'm on the wrong side if I want to see this CRJ land. So I gotta walk to the other side of the airport. I might come back down here then. Yeah, I might come back down here, but in the meantime, this is the wrong side to be on, so I'm gonna go over there, somewhere else. Alright, I did not know this was private property, so I was told to leave. Because I'm told to take it with like those planes like that. So yeah, he said he gave me 3 minutes to leave right quick, so to walk back to the terminal. It's heavy. I gotta act like I'm not like recording or anything. Okay. Oh damn, that Cessna's back up in the air. Right when I got kicked out. That apparently was a good spot. I guess I could just walk down the street some more or something. Yeah, I guess I can just walk down the street. But in the meantime, that Cessna's back up in the air. I gotta pretend to wait real quick. No, I'm not gonna wait. Okay, so I was on the right side, but now I gotta go to a new location to freaking spot this CRJ 200. This thing's long. He was like, I was like, I didn't know this was private property. He was like, yeah, this is my property. He was like, yeah, you need to leave. I was like, okay. He said in an annoyed, he said in an annoyed slash, like, kind of like nice tone. But, he was like, yeah, you need to leave. Yeah, Tyler's video got kicked out. I should have pressed record because my camera was on. I should have pressed record. So I could hear the conversation. My mom gave me strict instructions before I left. Be nice. Because I honestly do not know if he can't have me arrested or not. Right here by the fire station looks like a good spot, doesn't it? Looks like you need to get permission from the owners. This shouldn't be his property anymore, right? I'm on the fire station property. I'm technically on the airport's property at this point. I can spot the aircraft coming in and coming out. The grass is still short over here, so I can just spot over here. I didn't have time to change my lens, unfortunately. I guess I can just like sit kind of right here. I'll go look for other spots, but I guess I can sit right here. I can look either way in case someone does come in. I got scared. Alright, so yeah. Oh yeah, another thing. I'm at a terminal right now. He was like, there are terrorist attacks here. He was like, yeah, 9/11. People kept coming in and spotting before 9/11 happened. So I was like, oh. I did not know that. If he's telling the truth, I don't know. Oh my god, my exposure is way too bright. Alright. I'm sorry, I gotta set my exposure. It's like too low. But it was like, yeah, 9/11 was associated over here. It's like, yeah, 9/11 was associated over here. We had a whole bunch of people over here before 9/11 happened. Spotting. So I was like, oh. Alright, so as of right now, Schedule 200 is about like 5 minutes out. So I'm gonna go set up right over here. Alright, there he is. Oh god, come on. Come on, focus, focus, focus. He's gonna turn right back down here. Number 8, 9, and I get to another door. Coming in from Atlanta. He was running. Oh, so that's where I connect CRJ gate. And CRJ gate. The engines are still running. That can be weird. There they go. As the passengers disembark, and those engines shut off. I'm gonna go talk to the pilots real quick. Get some shots. Alright, so I just talked to some people who got in from the Atlanta flight. I showed them a video of their landing and come over back to the fire station here to show y'all some video of the aircraft. There's the tail right there. It's hilarious how CRJ 200 is the boss here. For Atlanta, Georgia. I don't even start recording for them. Number 8974, Charlie. And then from Atlanta, Georgia. Sorry folks, but I'm predicting this to be the end of the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Maybe the pods come out, I can go talk to them. I just gotta change my lens right quick. But till then, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, we got... No, I can't spoil a surprise. But there's some stuff, there's some exciting stuff coming up October 25th. So, yeah, like and subscribe. Because I noticed that like 95 of my viewers are not subscribed. So subscribe, you guys.
Huh?
What did you say?
Is your mother right here in the truck?
No, she's not in her truck. I mean, she's in her blue truck. I'm just shutting it down. Can I get my lens cap out and put it on?
Sure. As long as what you're doing, I'm not trying to be mean to you. I'm just security issue. At the terminal right now. Yes. Yes. What about Michael? Is Michael over there that works for the county? Yes. Which one? The older gentleman? Okay. Well, I got a guy over here who's taking pictures through the fence of y'all's airlines and stuff, and I told him to leave a couple of times, and I found him again, and it's a secure issue. And he said his mother was here, but his mother hasn't shown up yet. He said she was in the parking lot.
She's just handling some stuff.
Yeah, that's what he said, but it's just something just don't sit right with me. Okay. All right. Thank you. I'm over by the fire department. Bye-bye. you got a driver's license? Vernon. Hey, this is David.
Not old enough to.
I got a young gentleman here. He was over by my LPO taking pictures through the fence with a big camera. It looks like it's worth about $1,000 with a boom mic and everything on it. So I told him to leave. And now he's over here by the fire department videoing and filming the airlines with the plane up on the roof. And there's not a security officer inside the building right now. What do you want me to do with it? Okay, so he drove all the way from Atlanta to come down here to film this, what he told me. So it does not seem right. Hey! So you tell me what you want me to do. You want me to go ahead and call the police over here and them deal with it? Or make him leave county property? Okay.
What's going on, boss man?
Okay. Nope. The police officer's not decided.
No, they going for the day.
Okay. What was your name?
My name Brian.
Brian, that's right. Brian, this is Vernon.
Okay.
Brian from Delta's over here. And he said there's a police officer in there, they're going to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask this gentleman to get in his car whenever his mother shows up and go ahead and go home or go back to Atlanta or whatever he's doing. And if anybody says anything, I'll take the heat on it because you don't drive all the way from Atlanta, drop your kid off so they can film Delta and then go back to Atlanta. Something's not right.
I can show you like quick if you don't believe me.
I mean, are you out here with someone?
Yeah, my mom's right over there. I just went over there. I mean, here's here you go.
And y'all waiting on y'all brother to come off the plane?
No, see, I do this for fun.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
I'll call you back now.
Here, also have this over here. I do this for. I just want
Where your mother at again?
she's right down there.
He's been telling me that for about 10-15 minutes. He told me the same thing when I called him over there on our property.
Yeah.
Listen, I want you to listen to me, okay? I'm not trying to cause you no problems, but I want you to listen to me. When you're doing stuff like this right here, you bring suspicion because you're filming. You told me you wanted to get a CRJ 200. That's what you hold on. That's what you told me over there. I said you need to leave. Because you was already filming the big planes over there.
Yes,
Over at Standby. I told you, if you want to do something like that, you need to get permission because none of this will be going on. But when we got, this is a very secure area.
Okay.
And when you're caught doing what you're doing, you can go to jail. You don't want to do that.
If you're gonna take pictures, we have an area in there, a waiting area in the back, and that's about close as you can get because it's for visitors. But you know what I'm saying?
But all you have to do is ask permission. Now, if you want to be here tomorrow and you want to go over there and take those pictures, I can call a guy and get you over there. But don't just do what you're doing, especially at nighttime in the dark. I mean, you look very suspicious, like
in the gray clothes and everything.
Well, it doesn't. I'm just talking about with that right there, filming that over there. No, and reason I'm saying this here is because when the terrorists hit the Trade Center, they were flying into here, into my dad's business down there, buying fuel and stuff, and he had to produce all his documents for every time they landed here. So we take it very serious over here. So you just can't walk around. And if your mother knew you was over here being talked to by two adults or older people.
Where is she?
She's right over there. I just called her.
Oh.
Where's she?
Right over there in the parking lot.
She's in a blue tall truck.
Is she out like she just sitting out there?
Yes, this yeah.
Yeah, man, like this area is pretty, you know what I'm saying, big. We have this new thing come in and they're gonna be securing the area, and you know, just for your safety, just make sure you come inside. That guy right there, he's one of those guys that can tell you if you could do it or not. You know what I'm saying?
So let's walk inside the terminal and ask for over here.
Yeah.
No, for over here.
Right
over here. You have to see. I own all this down here.
Yeah.
Oh, so
but I don't have a problem letting you come over here and take pictures. But if you start posting people's tail numbers online,
Yeah,
You
yeah,
can
yeah.
get you can get
You
sued.
can, that's you can get in trouble without
Big
their
time.
permission.
That's right.
That's you know, confidential. That's why they bet there. You know, you got to get permission like that. You get people that steal planes, try to do it, and that's throwing all the information online.
You want to walk him over there to his mom over there?
Yeah, I'll walk them over.
I got to say.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, so if you listen to so basically afterwards I went to the terminal and my mom came to get me. The other guy was really, really nice, and the guy who was talking, he was like, we should call the police. Or should we call the police on him? And so yeah, this marks the end of the video. I don't really have anything else to say. I'm just shook and really surprised. It's like scared. It scared me. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah. See you guys in the next one.